Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel schoolquiz.com. As you know, my name is Danish Agarwal. As we have started with chapter number 4, that is structure of atom, and we have completed our all the topics of chapter number 4, that is structure of an atom, and we have also covered the NCERT questions of chapter number 4, structure of atom, which are present at the back of the chapter. Now we have started our topics with in-text questions of chapter number 4, structure of atom, in which we have covered 1 to 5 blue questions. And now in this video I will cover 6 to 10 in text questions, and I also have made my videos on chapter number 3, that is atoms and molecules, in which all the topics for the chapter atoms and molecules have covered, and in NCERT questions of chapter number 3 are also has been covered in my videos. If you have any, like, if you want to watch any topic, you can search our channel School Quiz, and at that channel my all videos you will get. So if you have any queries, like in chapter 3, chapter 4, you can watch my video. I will assure that it will remove your all queries. So we will focus on our today's topic, like chapter number 4, structure of atom, in which we discuss 6 to 10 in text questions. Okay, so chapter number 4, that is structure of atom. So question number 6, like it is on page number 49, question number 4, but as I have made it like 1 to 15, so I write my question number 6. So question number 6 is, according to me, that is, what do you think would be the observation, what do you think what do you think would be the what do you think would be the observation what do you think would be the observation if the alpha particle scattering experiment if the alpha particle scattering experiment if the alpha particle scattering experiment is carried out is carried out using a foil of metal using a foil of metal other than other than gold, that is AU. What is the symbol of gold? That is AU. So if we see, that is, what are alpha particles? Alpha particles were helium nucleus, that is He242 plus. And as we know, who used gold foil for his experiment? That is Rutherford. In which he took gold foil and strike alpha particles. Like, and strike alpha particles. So in this question, we have to tell that if we use any other metal than gold, what would be the observation? Observation will be same because metals are almost same, so the observation will also be same. So it is like the observation of alpha particle scattering experiment would remain same as all atoms. The observation of alpha particle scattering experiment would be same alpha particle scattering experiment would be same as all metals as all atoms would have, as all atoms would have would have same structure, would have same structure. Okay. Now we will move to question number 7. Question number 7. Question number 7, that it is also on page number 49. It is also on page number 49. Seventh question is, name the three subatomic particles of an atom. Question is, name the three subatomic particles of an atom. As we know, what are subatomic particles? Subatomic particles are that particles which can't be further subdivided, which can't be further divided. As we know, three subatomic particles. First one is protons, which are positively charged, Second one is electrons, which are negatively charged, and third one is our neutrons, which carry no charge, or we can say that or neutral. Now we will move to our question number 8, that is helium atom has an atomic mass of 4 U. U is what? U is unified mass, and two protons in its nucleus, How many neutrons does it have? Its nucleus, how many neutrons does it have? So we have to calculate the number of neutrons. So helium atom has an atomic mass of 4 U, that is He24. There are two protons, which means atomic number, that is He24. So we have to tell how number of neutrons. As we know, number of neutrons is equal to what? That is mass number minus atomic number. That is 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. Therefore, number of neutrons equal to 2. Now we will move to our question number 9. Question number 9. Question number 9 is, how will you find the valency of chlorine, sulfur and magnesium? How will you find the valency of chlorine, sulfur and magnesium. So first of all, before finding the valency, we will discuss what valency is. What is valency? Valency, it is the combining capacity of an element, of an atom, or we can say it of an atom. So what is valency? It is defined as the it is defined as the combining it defined as the combining capacity combining capacity of an atom, that is valency. So to find the valency we should know the atomic numbers, we should know the atomic numbers of the elements. As I all as I have already taught you to like to mug up the 1 to 20 elements. Okay, to remember 1 to 20 elements. So first one, we will discuss what chlorine. As we know, atomic number of chlorine is 17 and its electronic configuration will be 287. 287. If we talk about, as we know, if we talk about sulfur, that is 16, that is 286. 286. And next is chlorine, next is magnesium, that is 12, that is 282. 282. As we know, to achieve its nearest noble gas configuration, to achieve its nearest noble gas configuration, chlorine needs just one electron. Chlorine needs just one electron. To achieve its nearest noble gas configuration, chlorine needs only just one electron. Only need just one electron. So it will gain. To achieve its nearest noble gas configuration, chlorine needs only just one electron. So it will gain one electron to get stable. And as we know, when an atom gains electron, there is a negative charge. So valency of chlorine is, so valency of chlorine is minus 1 because it wants to gain just one electron to achieve its nearest noble gas configuration of argon. So valency of chlorine is minus 1. Valency of chlorine is minus 1. To achieve its nearest noble gas configuration, chlorine needs just one electron to complete its outermost shell. So it will gain just one electron. So it will try to gain one electron to achieve its nearest noble gas configuration. So valency of chlorine is what? It is minus 1. Now we will talk about valency of magnesium sulfur. Valency of sulfur. So same as like sulfur needs just two electrons. As we already know that chlorine is a non-metal, sulfur is a non-metal. So they will try to gain electrons. So will they try to gain electrons, and their valency should be negative. So one thing kept in mind, if there is presence of non-metal, valency should be negative. So valency of sulfur is minus 2. So it's like same thing, that to achieve nearest noble gas configuration or to complete its outermost shell, sulfur needs just two electrons. So therefore its valency is minus 2. And now we will talk about magnesium. So its valency is plus 2. It will lose 2 electrons. To get stable or to achieve its nearest noble gas configuration. So valency of chlorine is minus 1, sulfur is minus 2, and magnesium is plus 2. Now we will move to question number 10. Now we will move to question number 10. Question number 10 is, if number of electrons of an atom is 8, if the number of electrons of an atom is 8 and number of protons is also 8 and number of protons is also 8, then what is the atomic number and what is the charge on the atom? So our question is, A part is, what is the atomic number of the element, and second is, what is the charge? So first part is number of electrons, that is 8, number of electrons which is equal to 8, and number of protons, that is also 8. And as we know what is atomic number, it is the number of protons in an atom. As we know what is atomic number, it is the number of protons in an atom. So atomic number of the element is 8. That will be like atomic number is 8, so it will be our oxygen. Then in B part is, what is the charge? As number of protons and number of atoms is same as number of protons is equal to number of electrons. Number of protons is equal to the number of electrons. So the atom is electrically neutral, or we can say that carries no charge. So this is all about our today's video, that is in-text questions 6 to 10. So the next video will be the last video of the chapter number 4, that is structure of an atom, and after that video the chapter number 4, that will be completed with all the topics, with all the NCERT questions, in-text questions. So we will meet in our next video, that is in-text questions part number 3. So thank you very much.